All right, y'all. Sorry about that. Got stressed out for a second. But all right, so let's go back up here. So this is the prompt that we originally gave ChatGPT on building our buyer's presentation. So I did forget to add the presentation that I already have and the information from the other one. So let's go ahead and pull that up really quick. All right, so let me go ahead and pull that up really quick so we can get that going. All right, so let me go ahead and pull this up really quick. My apologies. And add the two that we forgot. So I'm going to go here to my files really quick. I need to add this and I need to add the program. So I'm going to tell it, sorry, I forgot to add the PDFs. Please use this information to create the prompts and presentation. All right, I probably spelled some things wrong. So let's go ahead and fix this really quick. I'm not the greatest typer, but we're going to get that straight. Put a commas in there and then hit this. All right. All right. Man, I'm crunching for time. It is literally 9:58, but I'm going to get on here. I'm going to get it done and we're going to get this done. Be a smidge late, but it's going to be worth it. All right. So we got the prompt for Claude. All right. So let's go to Claude really quick. All right. So pull up Claude really quick and have Claude help me with this here. Not sure why it stopped showing my face, but let's see what's going on with the face. Oh, all right. Not sure what's going on, but we're going to get to it. All right. So let's go back over here. What is going on? Hold on. All right, y'all. I don't know what happened, but we're going to push through. It doesn't need a picture of me up there. It's cool. So we're going to take this. This is the Claude prompt right here. We're going to use this. Here's the prompt for Claude. So let's go ahead and type this, pull this down, and grab this. Boom. And we only need to go here. Let's go here, copy. Let's go into Claude. Let's get this typed up really quick. Boom. Let's get that information going. While that's building that out, we'll see this whole presentation here, right? So this is the slide prompt that we want to create. So now it's creating a slide just for us based on the information that we gave out earlier. So my old buyer's presentation slide as well as the current information. So then I'm gonna go ahead and get the Gamma app prepared while we're here. While that's doing that, let me go ahead and create a new prompt. We want to create a presentation slide here. Boom. So as soon as this is ready, we will be able to copy this and send it over there. But as you can see, this is working amazing just from this prompt. So we used this original prompt that we made here. I forgot to add the PDFs, but now that we added the PDFs, it gave me everything I needed to send over to here, and boom. So now we got Claude working. It's almost there, and then we're going to get going. So let's rock, and then we're going to get to the next part. All right, perfect. So we got our prompt here. Let's go ahead and copy this. Let's go right into the Gamma app right here. Go ahead and paste this here. Boom. Looks good. How many slides we got? Got 11, 12. That's not bad. All right, boom. So we're going to go ahead and drop this here. Let's go ahead and click this. Oops. see. What I need to do is update what I see here. Hold on, let's go down. I noticed that right here, it doesn't have my information for some reason. So let's go ahead and fix that. All right, and then let's fix this. And we have this. All right. And we're just going to take this out for now. I can get that to her later. So now we should be good. Let me make sure there's nothing else that is missing that requires my information or anything like that. This is my slide. All right. And we're good to go. All right. So let's go ahead and hit generate. I probably should have changed the theme. We have a black theme right now, but I can change that later. So let's go ahead and get that going. And we're off and running. And just like that, we are creating a personalized buyer's presentation just for this client specifically because they are, a first responder. So I like this, and they can go with other options. We'll go over that, but I want to go with that. We're going to change this picture because I have no clue who that is. That's not me, but we'll let this finish generate and go from there. All right, man, we're making some good progress. I really like this. Let me see if I can move my head out the way so you all can see over there what's going on. This is actually good. And again, granted, if I'd have had everything done on the right prompt, we probably would have took maybe 10, 15 minutes. But again, which takes some people an hour, maybe two, is knocking it out in 15 minutes. I can go back in, change my photos and update some things really quick, and we're off and running. So this is actually really good. We're on slide 7. Or which slide are we on? We're almost there. We only got 12 slides, I think, 11 or 12 slides. So this is perfect. Still generating. This turned out really good, really quick, easy. I like it so far. I can go in and make a few updates. Like obviously I need to change my picture. So let's move this over here. Let's change my picture because clearly that's not me. So I'm gonna go over here, upload a quick picture of me. All right, so let me let this finish first. So it's still working. So I'm gonna let it finish so that way to catch up and then we'll go from there. All right, it's still building down here. So I really like that, man. It's going. So let's see where we are. We got a checklist. Add a welcome home, next steps. Contact your team. I like this, man. This was really good. Boom. All right, so now we're done. All right, let me go in here and update these headshots and photos. But as you can see how quick and easy that was. So this is how you change a picture really quick because that's not Jason Miller. We don't know who that is, but we're going to use that same photo that we just used down there. Actually, let's use a different photo. Let's use this photo. Boom. All right, boom. Here we go. Change that photo. And here we are. We got some mortgage calculations. police officer. She's a female, so we're going to change this as well. Let's go trip in. All right, so sorry, we got 100 things going on, but let's see what this looks like, right? We're going to, boom. All right, we're going to put a female officer right there. Choose that picture. And we're going to try to change a little bit over here. Yeah. All right, so boom. All right. Man, you don't get any easier than this right here. This is as good as it's going to get if you ask me. I really like this. So if this is just one quick way to use ChatGPT to go ahead and create presentations for your clients, man, this is awesome. So if you want more great videos like this, stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, like, and join my personal private group on Facebook called Rova AI, where I help agents like you not only drop videos like this, content up to date on AI things that you can do that are catered just to real estate professionals, as well as helping you generate leads easily using AI. We build out full on systems to help you lead nurture and lead generate. So with that said, stay tuned. Thank you.